Flying after 60 doesn't have to feel like navigating a maze designed for someone else. Yet modern air travel moves at a relentless pace, filled with self-check kiosks, long security lines, and crowded cabins that test patience and stamina. The truth is simple. Today's airports and airlines rarely slow down for anyone, and that makes preparation more important than ever. This guide built around senior air travel tips highlights exactly what passengers over 60 should write down before flying, so nothing important gets forgotten in the rush of travel day. From seat choices that protect circulation to services that make airport navigation effortless, every detail shared here is about making travel smoother, safer, and far less stressful. A small notebook or even a simple list saved on a phone can transform an exhausting journey into a calm and confident experience. Knowing what to ask for and when to ask for it turns confusion into control and discomfort into dignity. Before takeoff begins, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Helpful travel insights like these can make every future journey easier, smarter, and far more comfortable. Number 1. Write down your complete medication list and dosage schedule. Every senior passenger should begin preparation with a written record of medications and dosages. Travel days often disrupt daily routines, especially when crossing time zones or dealing with delays. A clear list ensures that important prescriptions are never missed or taken incorrectly. This record should include medication names, dosage amounts, and timing instructions. Keeping a copy in a wallet or carry-on bag provides quick access if a medical concern arises mid-flight. Flight attendants and medical personnel rely on accurate information when assisting passengers. Having these details written down removes uncertainty and speeds up response in urgent situations. It also helps when passing through airport security or explaining medical needs during travel. A simple list becomes a powerful tool for maintaining health and confidence throughout the journey. Number 2. Note down airlines and other important contact numbers. You might need a wheelchair or escort assistance. Many travelers assume airport wheelchair or escort services are only for those with severe disabilities. That assumption prevents countless passengers from using support designed for them. Writing down the airline's contact number or adding a note to request assistance during booking ensures help is ready upon arrival. This service provides guidance through check-in, security, and even to connecting gates. Instead of navigating long corridors and crowded terminals alone, passengers can conserve energy and avoid unnecessary strain. Airport staff are trained to assist respectfully and efficiently, making travel far more manageable. Knowing how to request this service in advance eliminates confusion on departure day. A calm, guided airport experience often begins with a single written reminder made before leaving home. Number 3. Add a reminder to request pre-boarding. Boarding an aircraft can quickly turn into a crowded, stressful experience. Writing down a simple reminder to request pre-boarding helps passengers avoid unnecessary pressure. Most airlines allow passengers with mobility or comfort concerns to board early, even if this option is not loudly announced. A brief request made to the gate agent usually secures access before the main boarding group. Early boarding allows extra time to find the seat, store carry-on items, and settle in comfortably. It also eliminates the rush of standing in crowded aisles while other passengers search for overhead space. Beginning a flight calmly sets the tone for the entire journey. A written note ensures this helpful step is never overlooked. Number 4. Write down your preferred seat choice. Seat selection plays a crucial role in comfort during long flights. Writing down a preference for aisle seating rather than window seating can protect circulation and mobility. Aisle seats provide easy access for standing, stretching, and walking throughout the flight. Passengers who remain seated for long periods face increased stiffness and swelling, especially on longer routes. Seats closer to the restroom or galley can also reduce the need for extended walks down narrow aisles. Recording these preferences before booking tickets prevents last-minute decisions that lead to discomfort. A well-chosen seat supports both physical health and overall ease during travel. Number 5. Remember, you can take help for your carry-on bags. Many travelers hesitate to request assistance when lifting carry-on luggage. This hesitation can lead to unnecessary strain or injury. Writing down a reminder to ask flight attendants for help ensures heavy bags are handled safely. Cabin crew members are trained to assist passengers when needed and prefer helping early rather than responding to an injury later. A polite request made during boarding allows bags to be stored securely without stress. Protecting the back, shoulders, and joints is far more important than lifting luggage independently. Travel comfort often begins with knowing when to accept available help. Number 6. Write down hydration goals for the flight. Cabin air remains extremely dry, often leading to dehydration that goes unnoticed until fatigue sets in. Writing down a reminder to drink water regularly throughout the flight helps maintain energy and circulation. Bringing an empty bottle through security and requesting refills ensures a steady supply of water. Hydration supports joint comfort, reduces dizziness, and keeps the body functioning smoothly at high altitude. Many passengers underestimate how quickly dehydration develops in the air. A written reminder encourages consistent intake rather than waiting for thirst to appear. Small, frequent sips can make a noticeable difference in how the body feels upon landing. Number 7. You shouldn't hesitate to ask for comfort items on board. Make a note to inquire about it when you need them. Blankets, pillows, and other comfort items are often available on flights but rarely offered automatically. Writing down a note to request these items politely after boarding can greatly improve comfort. A supportive pillow can ease back strain, while a blanket provides warmth in cooler cabins. These items are typically stored in the galley and distributed upon request. Asking early increases the likelihood of availability, especially on longer flights. Comfort during travel is not limited to premium cabins. Knowing what to request transforms an ordinary seat into a far more relaxing space. Number 8. Make a note of instructions for seat or tray assistance. Aircraft seats and tray tables can sometimes be stiff or difficult to adjust. Struggling with these features alone may lead to unnecessary strain. Writing down a reminder to request assistance ensures problems are solved quickly. Flight attendants know how to operate seat levers, armrests, and tray mechanisms efficiently. A brief request for help prevents frustration and protects joints from awkward movements. Comfort should never depend on physical struggle. Quick assistance from trained crew members keeps the journey smooth and stress-free. Number 9. Don't forget to find out if there are any particular instructions for moving or stretching during the flight. Long flights often encourage passengers to remain seated for extended periods, but staying still for too long can lead to stiffness and reduced circulation. Writing down a reminder to stand and stretch every hour helps maintain comfort and mobility throughout the journey. Gentle movements such as ankle rotations or short walks down the aisle keep blood flowing and reduce fatigue. Older adults benefit greatly from intentional movement, especially on flights lasting more than 2 hours. Cabin crew generally welcome passengers who move carefully once the seatbelt sign is off. A simple written note encourages regular movement rather than waiting until discomfort appears. Staying active in small ways helps ensure that landing feels smooth rather than exhausting. Number 10. Write down how to use security assistance programs. Airport security checkpoints can feel overwhelming, especially when instructions are given quickly in crowded environments. Writing down the availability of special assistance programs helps reduce stress during screening. Many airports offer support staff who guide passengers through the process at a comfortable pace. These professionals explain each step clearly and provide help with trays, bags, and personal items. Calling ahead or requesting assistance at the airport ensures a more respectful and organized screening experience. Knowing that help is available turns security from a stressful obstacle into a manageable step of the journey. A short note saved before travel can transform this part of the airport experience. Number 11. Add a reminder to wear compression socks. Circulation becomes especially important during long flights, and compression socks provide valuable support. Writing down a reminder to wear them before leaving home ensures they are not forgotten in the rush of departure. These socks help maintain blood flow and reduce swelling in the legs and feet during extended sitting. Many frequent travelers rely on them to stay comfortable throughout flights. Wearing compression socks from the beginning of the journey provides consistent support from takeoff to landing. A small preparation step can make walking through the arrival terminal far more comfortable. Recording this reminder in advance prevents last-minute oversight. Number 12. Make a note of the process to request for seat change should you require it. Even with careful planning, assigned seats may not always provide ideal comfort. Writing down a reminder to politely request a different seat if discomfort arises can make a major difference. Once boarding is complete, flight attendants often know which seats remain available. Passengers experiencing circulation issues or difficulty accessing the aisle can ask to move if space allows. A respectful request explaining the need for comfort or mobility is usually well received. Cabin crew prefer addressing concerns early rather than responding to discomfort later in the flight. Knowing when and how to ask ensures that seating arrangements support a pleasant journey rather than an uncomfortable one. Number 13. The policy for mobility aids and assistive devices is another important note. Mobility aids such as canes, walkers, or foldable supports travel free of charge and do not count toward carry-on limits. Writing down this information ensures these essential items remain accessible throughout the journey. During boarding, passengers can inform flight attendants that these aids need proper storage nearby. Crew members can place them in priority storage areas for easy retrieval. Keeping assistive devices within reach prevents unnecessary difficulty when moving through the cabin or upon landing. Awareness of these policies protects both independence and safety. A written reminder ensures that assistive tools are handled correctly from start to finish. Number 14. How to request extra time when exiting the plane. This is another thing you need to check with them beforehand. The moment an aircraft reaches the gate, many passengers rush to stand and retrieve bags. This sudden movement can feel overwhelming and physically demanding. Writing down a reminder to remain seated and exit at a comfortable pace helps maintain calm and safety. Informing a flight attendant before landing allows them to assist with timing and luggage retrieval. Passengers can choose to leave after the main crowd has exited, avoiding crowded aisles and unnecessary pressure. This approach reduces stress and allows careful movement through the cabin. Ending the flight calmly often sets the tone for the rest of the journey. Number 15. Finally, write down the plan for connection assistance. Connecting flights can present unique challenges, particularly in large airports with distant gates. Writing down a plan for connection assistance ensures continuity of support throughout the trip. If wheelchair or escort services were arranged for the first flight, they can continue during layovers. Airport staff can guide passengers between gates and help navigate busy terminals efficiently. This support reduces the risk of missing flights and eliminates the need for rushing. Having the connection plan written down provides clarity and reassurance during travel. Each step of the journey becomes smoother when assistance is arranged in advance. Final words. Air travel after 60 should feel empowering rather than exhausting. Writing down these 15 essential reminders transforms uncertainty into preparation and stress into confidence. Every note represents a small decision that protects comfort, health, and peace of mind. From the moment packing begins to the moment the destination is reached, preparation keeps the journey steady and enjoyable. Modern travel moves quickly, but informed passengers move with clarity and control. Knowledge remains the greatest travel companion. When passengers know their options and rights, every airport and aircraft becomes easier to navigate. Comfort improves, stress fades, and the journey becomes something to look forward to rather than endure. Preparation does not remove adventure from travel. It simply ensures that every adventure begins with confidence and ends with dignity intact. Before the next trip begins, take a moment to write these reminders down and keep them within reach. A simple list can turn a complicated travel day into a smooth experience filled with ease. If this guide helped in any way, remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more practical travel insights that make every journey smarter and more comfortable.